EZDent I, Chapter 5, Report tab, Performing a Patient Search. The objectives will be search either by first or last name, search by any character within the first or last name, as well as perform an advanced search, including searching by image type and search by date or user. We'll start from the Report tab of the EZDent I software and navigate to the upper left-hand corner to do a patient search. We'll left-click in the field in this first example and type in the name Jane, left-click on Search, and then bring up any matches of the name Jane. We also have the ability to do a search by last name. In this case here, type in Floorman, or any characters within the last name, left-click on Search again to bring up any matches for Floorman. We also have the ability to do a partial search. In this case here, typing in one letter in either the first name or last name as indicated by the search results here. We also have the ability where we can do an advanced search. By left-clicking on the advanced search button, we can do a search for images either by modality type or by date. In this first example, we'll do a search of all images captured within the last month to bring up our search results that way. We'll also do another advanced search. In this case here, we'll stick with all modalities, and now let's do a search over a date range. Left click on User, and now we can browse back as far as we want to be able to identify all images that were captured within a specific date range. In this case here, from February 1st through today's date, left click on Search again to bring up all images that were captured within that date range. We can do another search here, again either by all modalities here, and if you want to do essentially a display all, left click on all dates, left click on search, and it'll bring up all images that have been captured so far with your EZDent I software. We also have the ability where you can do a search either by a particular image type or modality. In this case here, do a search for panorama captured within the last month, left click on search to bring up any patients who had an image captured as far as a panorama within the last month. We can do the same thing for cephalo, do a date range going back, let's say, to the month of March, left click on search, left click on search again to bring up any cephalos that were captured within the last 3 months. In the last option here, we'll do a search either by CT, and then from here, all dates, left click on search, and then all CBCT or 3D scans have been captured within our database. In our last example, then have the ability where we can do a search either by images, such as an intraoral image within the last month, left click on search again, and bring up any patients who had an intraoral image captured within the last month. In summary, you should now be able to perform a search either by first name or last name, search by any character within the first or last name, as well as perform an advanced search either by image type or by date and by user.